Simple practice versus therapy notes. So Simple Practice is a widely used practice management software designed for therapists, counselors, and wellness professionals. So for the pros and cons, it offers a user-friendly and modern design. It is built in with a telehealth video platform. It has a mobile app for both therapists and clients. It is customizable for the client intake forms and the portals. And it's excellent for social and solo practitioners and small practices. The cons is though, it can be more expensive as the features scale, and they have a limited advanced reporting compared to therapy notes, and the billing system can feel a bit complex at first. Now, therapy notes, on the other hand, is a robust practice management platform that focuses heavily on the clinical documentation, compliance, and ease of record keeping. So for the pros, it offers excellent note-taking system with templates. They also have a strong focus on compliance. They have a detailed scheduling and billing features. And it's great for group practices and insurance with heavy practices. It also has a responsive customer support, but the downside is there's no built-in telehealth, which requires integration. And they have a less modern interface than Simple Practice. And they have a steep learning curve. So if you want a modern client-friendly platform with telehealth integration, go with Simple Practice. But if you need a robust documentation, compliance tools, and other insurance-focused features, then choose Therapy Notes.